Jamie Ritchie is CEO of Sotheby's Wine in the U.S. and Asia. In the world of rare trophy wine, even the most educated connoisseur can get duped.
A client bought this for $10,000, this one bottle. He said, let's open it. I took a look at it and I said, let's not, because I didn't think it was right, just by looking at it. And when you look at it through a loupe, which magnifies the label, you can see that it is a copied label.
With one photocopied label, a counterfeiter made $10,000. These bottles look similar to the untrained eye, but Ritchie knows how to spot a fake.
So the labels are genuine. They come from genuine bottles. They've taken two labels off other bottles and they've put them on these bottles. These bottles are from a lesser expensive Italian wine from a very good brand called Antinori. The Vert Chateau Serton is always meant to have a pink capsule. So this is a bit of amateur hour.